Hello students, I am Jagan. Today we'll see about the gate questions in the subject control system for the ECE board. Find the transfer function E of S for the system. Block diagram is given. Input R of S, output C of S, E of S, P of S. In the block we have G of S and H of S. It's a gate question problem. We have the four options for this. Option A, 1 divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Option B, G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Option C, G of S divided by 1 minus G of S into H of S. Option D, 1 divided by 1 minus G of S into H of S. Look at this problem. It's completely reduction of the block diagram. Based on this block diagram, we need to find the transfer function. The given the question is E of S by R of S. You can simplify, reduce the block, then you get the answer. From this answer, you need to find E of S divided by R of S. Okay. Solution. Completely we know this. The problem purely depends on the block diagram reduction. Then we need to find only the transfer function. Okay. We know that transfer function T of S which is equal to E of S by R of S. That is a given the question to find. E of S divided by R of S. What is this E of S? E of S is here, right? E of S is equal to output is G of S. So E of S is equal to C of S divided by G of S. That is my E of S. Now, what is C of S? It's a complete closed loop. So directly we can write C of S is equal to R of S G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. It's a basic thing. It's in a complete closed loop. You can directly write C of S equal to this R of S into this full term is G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Bring this G of S down. So already C of S is here. Take this G of S to down. C of S by G of S is equal to R of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Now C of S by G of S, which is nothing but E of S. Replace it as E of S. Then bring this R of S down. E of S by R of S is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. So now look at this answer, 1 divided by G of S into H of S. Option A, 1 divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Option A is correct. So my option A is a correct answer to find the transfer function of the E of S divided by H of S for the given function. So the topic completely belongs to the block diagram reduction topic. The topic completely need to find the transfer function. Based on this, we have find the transfer function E of S by R of S. Option A is correct. Since problem have the reference signal and output signal R of S and C of S and output signal, as well as the block diagram consists of the two blocks G of S and H of S. This is a complete solution problem. It's a simple basic problem under the topic of the block diagram reduction. Thank you, students.